Previously, we told you about Apple folding phone or Apple iFlip it might be called, and reports about Apple had reportedly ordered samples of foldable screens from Samsung. But Apple Insider, sources inside Apple told it that LG is helping Apple in the development of flexible foldable panels. Once the production of the screen starts, it isn't known whether LG will actually be supplying Apple with the panels. While it could be Samsung or LG that delivers these screens to Apple for their foldable phone or both, a dark horse candidate is Bo. The latter is already said to replace Samsung as the source of foldable panels for the Huawei Mate X2. The Chinese manufacturer's second-generation foldable will be unveiled on February 22, which I have told you in my previous P50 series video. You can watch it here. Over the years, LG has been rumored as a supplier of display panels for a foldable iPhone. There was a report in 2017 that LG had assembled a task force to work on such components. Still, prototype foldable displays for iPhone from LG and Samsung are allegedly being tested by Apple. Still, this isn't terribly shocking since the pair do ship OLED displays to Apple for the iPhone. Apple has supposedly tested two different foldable iPhone prototypes. One is similar to the Samsung Galaxy Fold and uses a form factor that changes an iPhone into an iPad simply by opening the device like a book, just like Samsung Note 20 to Fold 2. The second form factor is a clamshell design similar to the Galaxy Z Flip. With this form factor, a device can fit easily in a pocket, and when opened it becomes a large screen phone with a tall and thin display. Those in the know say that Apple is leaning toward using the latter design. Looks like the foldable iPhone will be a phone-tablet hybrid. The device is rumored to sport a 7.3-inch to 7.6-inch OLED screen when opened. More interesting is that the report says the foldable iPhone will be the first handset created by Apple to support the Apple Pencil. Currently, only compatible iPad models work with the digital writing instrument. The device is expected to launch in 2023 in bright, vivid colors. This suggests that Apple plans on marketing the device to younger consumers. Let us know your thoughts about the foldable iPhone in the comments section below as the video comes to its end, but please subscribe if you didn't subscribe yet to stay up to date about the latest tech reviews and news. I will see you soon in the next one.